Just one simple exercise done every day can change your chest, arm, shoulder, and even your confidence. But the real question is, how many push-ups do you need to truly transform your body? Welcome back to the video. If you want to build a strong, muscular upper body from home without gym equipment, then this is the video for you. Today we are breaking down how many push-ups you need to do daily to see a real transformation. Let's begin. Understanding what push-ups actually do. Push-ups are a compound bodyweight exercises. They work your chest, triceps, shoulder, core, and even your back. When done right and consistently, they don't just build strength, they also sculpt your upper body. Push-ups also improve muscular endurance, increase core stability, and can even boost testosterone level naturally, if paired with proper rest and recovery. The real transformation depends on three things. How many push-ups you should do to transform your body depend on three major factors. Your fitness level, your push-ups form, your overall training and diet routine. Let's break it down into levels so you know exactly where to stand and what you should do. Beginner's level. If you are new to push-ups and can barely do 10 in a row, start here. Target 3 sets of 10 push-ups every day. Rest 60 seconds between sets. Focus quality over quantity. Chest touching the floor, full range of motion. Do this consistently for 2 weeks. You will notice your chest becoming tighter, arms stronger, and stamina improving. Intermediate level. Once you can do 20 to 30 push-ups in a row, you are ready for this level. Target 3 to 4 sets of 20 to 25 push-ups. Add incline and decline push-ups for variation. Challenge. Increase weekly total by 10%. At this stage, your upper body will start showing clear definition in the chest, shoulder, and arm, especially if you maintain a good diet. Advanced level. For those who want to take their transformation for the next level. Target 200 to 300 push-ups daily, broken into sets throughout the day. Structure 10 sets of 30 reps or 6 sets of 50 reps. Add once, weighted push-ups, archer push-ups, explosive push-ups for maximum hypertrophy. This is where athlete, military personnel, and fitness influencers often afraid. If you stay this level with discipline, your body will transform dramatically in 30 to 60 days. Realistic time for visible result. If done consistently with good nutrition and rest, here's what to expect. 7 days, endurance increase, slight strength gain. 14 days, tighter chest and arms. 30 days, noticeable upper body shape. 60 plus days, full transformation, chest, shoulder, triceps, and core development. But remember, push-ups alone will not give you a six-pack or huge muscles. Combine them with full body workout, cardio, and a clean diet. Most common mistake to avoid: doing half rep or bouncing, not engaging your core, doing too many without recovery, ignoring nutrition and sleep. Form plus consistency plus recovery equal to real transformation. Push-ups transformation formula. Here's your simple 30-day plan. Day 1 to 7, 30 to 50 push-ups, focus on form. Day 8 to 14, 60 to 100 push-ups split into sets. Day 15 to 21, 100 to 150 push-ups and variation. Day 22 to 30, 200 plus push-ups. Challenge yourself. Track your progress. Take weekly pictures. And most importantly, don't skip. Push-ups might seem simple, but done right, they can completely transform your physique, mindset, and confidence. Start today, and your future self will thank you. So, how many push-ups will you do today? Comment below and let us know your current level and goal. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more bodyweight transformation tips. Until next time, stay strong, stay disciplined.